Here is another trailer option specifically for transporting cable drums. Built for off-road use, this model is sold by ST Trailers and is operated remotely, allowing workers to perform tasks safely from a distance. One of its unique features is that the trailer's clamps move along a horizontal axis. For more details, ST Trailers recommends visiting their website. G may have started as a refrigeration parts maker, but it has since grown into one of the world's leading car manufacturers through its Verizon Auto brand. The Chinese automotive giant recently unveiled the home truck cabless truck. According to the company, self-driving technology will play a major role in shaping the future of commercial road transport. In fact, G forecasts that by 2030, driverless trucks will dominate the market. No wonder the home truck cabless truck boasts level 4 autonomy, enabling it to handle many scenarios without human involvement. Flexibility is key here. Chinese experts note that the supervan chassis allows for adjustable dimensions and various drivetrains. Fans of automotive design might notice nods to the Volvo Vera, Stein Winter Supercargo 2040, and other similar projects. These air-based bags are designed for controlled lifting, holding, and lowering of various equipment, from bulldozers to trucks. One version of this system can support up to 866 tons, enough to lift an M1A1 Abrams tank. You can be confident that the system will not be damaged by the tracks. However, the most impressive feature of MatJack Landing Safe Lift bags is their exceptional reliability. Developers claim that no additional equipment is required during operation. Truck driving is becoming even more comfortable, with the Dutch company DAF introducing the digital vision system. It not only replaces mirrors but also aids on highways and in loading areas. The options include displaying lines for gauging distances during overtaking and maneuvering, along with providing a wide view of the rear trailer during turns. The system ensures visibility compliance, indicated by a special icon when the view is correct. Another Dutch invention, the side-eye system, assists in handling truck blind spots. Considering that 70% of accidents stem from blind spots, side-eye becomes a lifesaver for many drivers. The system features a radar and camera that display images on a 7-inch screen. An acoustic signal alerts the driver when cars, pedestrians, cyclists, or other road users are detected in the blind spot. Combine over 20 years of trailer design experience with the hands-on knowledge of a semi-trailer business owner, and you get K-Boom. It operates without noise and smoke, benefiting truckers. K-Boom is a line of trailers that allows you to tow a SEPN truck while also hauling a car. It is a luxury item, especially in the US market, where around 68% of all goods are delivered by semi-trailers. The K-Boom hydraulics can be controlled remotely, and it comes with ramps for added convenience. Plus, it's compatible with 3-axle tractors. Several years ago, Jost introduced the KKS automatic coupling system, revolutionizing trucking. With this system, drivers can connect or disconnect tractor units and semi-trailers without leaving their seat, similar to gameplay in video games like Euro Truck Simulator 2. Simply back up gently until the kingpin locks securely into the 5th wheel coupling. The mechanism closes automatically, eliminating the need to manually connect electrical or pneumatic systems. This reduces errors or damage from misaligned couplings, making the KKS system invaluable for both traditional and autonomous trucking. The new Actros L semi-trailer has taken fuel efficiency to unprecedented levels. According to Mercedes, specialists from the German automaker have redesigned the cab for improved aerodynamics, achieving a 3% fuel savings compared to its predecessor. Additionally, the third-generation 471 engine further reduces consumption by 4%. This advanced engine incorporates upgraded exhaust gas after treatment and new turbochargers. As always, there are 3 cabin options: stream space, big space, and gigaspace. Interestingly, Mercedes addresses even minor customer preferences. For instance, you can choose between traditional mirrors or the innovative MirrorCam camera system. It's evident that Mercedes upholds its motto, the best or nothing. If you're a fan of road-themed topics, you might recognize the mechanism on the screen. It's the Robson drive system. It's used to enhance roadability with no gimmicks, just solid hardware knowledge. The drive axle spins a small drum, which then spins the wheels of the non-drive axle. Thanks to its simplicity and convenience, the Robson drive is popular not only among dyers but also in production trucks. Volvo offers it as an option, while Scania and DAF use third-party expansion kits. However, the Finnish company CSU took it a step further by installing the Robson drive as a standard feature. Meyer Brackenberg has introduced the Distormobile 500, a line of disinfection gates available in both stationary and mobile formats. The mobile version can be set up by a small team in just 20 minutes. These gates automatically detect approaching trucks and activate, making them ideal for combating threats like swine fever outbreaks. Though humans are not susceptible to this disease, they can act as carriers. The Distormobile 500 features advanced nozzles that remain unaffected by wind, effectively targeting wheel arches. Truck drivers need only pass through the gate at a speed of 4 km per hour. It's no wonder Meyer Brackenberg products are widely used across Europe, including by the Luxembourg Army.
I don't think I can take this anymore. I might just break.
The PAV-Strong semi-trailer by Pavelli is an advanced solution for hauling heavy loads. Just how heavy? Depending on its axle and tire configuration, it can carry up to 5 tons, enough for a bus, military vehicle, or combine harvester. But its impressive load capacity isn't its only strength. In its standard setup, it features 3 advanced axles. The first is liftable, the second is fixed, and the third is self-steering. The trailer's components can be raised or lowered to create an ideal platform for various loads. It can also be extended by 3 meters and includes a hydraulically assisted ramp. On top of all this, the semi-trailer is remotely controlled, making it a true marvel of engineering. Brule Cordona has spent hundreds of thousands of miles behind the wheel of a truck. Like many other drivers, he faces the challenge of finding decent food while on the road. Traveling from one rest stop to another, often with only questionable diners around, eating well can be difficult. That is why Cordona came up with a mobile grill that also doubles as a stove. To bring his concept to market, he founded Grill Hall. The grill's standout feature is its mounting system, which attaches directly to the truck chassis behind the cab. There is also a hitch mount for pickup trucks, and one version even includes a built-in step. It is a clever design, though the price might seem steep. The most advanced model costs $1,500. Trucks used in municipal, construction, and other services frequently end up in unexpected places and can even cause accidents when parked on the roadside. To protect distracted drivers, these trucks are equipped with specialized systems. Once deployed, these systems create a rounded barrier designed to absorb impacts, preventing a passenger car from sliding underneath. Additionally, these systems feature lights and signs, enhancing visibility in dark or foggy conditions. When folded down, the warning and safety structure takes up minimal space, preserving the truck body's free area and not significantly increasing its length. IMET is once again ready to surprise us. This company specializes in equipment that transforms ordinary machinery into remote-controlled systems. IMET is prepared to work with virtually anything, from simple machines to tunnel-boring machines, designing control panels that align perfectly with the customer's desires. In this case, we see a relatively compact solution. However, larger panels can be equipped with up to 9 joysticks, not to mention a 4.3-inch color display. The panels also come with a sensor that detects dangerous positions or falls, while the iReady system ensures nothing gets damaged if the operator accidentally presses a button. With this system, remote control will only activate when the operator points the controller at a specific location and stays within a designated radius. The ML team is offering an innovative solution. The Sleipner DB45 trailer has two key advantages. It is both a low bed and off-road capable design. This trailer can be coupled with a dump truck and is capable of transporting heavy equipment such as tracked bulldozers. With the Sleipner DB45, you can reach the worksite faster while reducing unnecessary wear on the undercarriage. According to the developers, the undercarriage may last 2 or even 3 times longer than usual. With a carrying capacity of 45 tons, this trailer is ideal for transporting heavy machinery like drilling rigs and excavators. Additionally, its low bed design saves time and reduces stress for operators. Diesel prices in the United States reached an all-time high last year, soaring past $140 per barrel, a record-breaking event. Globally, diesel supply has been a significant challenge, with reports indicating that refineries worldwide are struggling to meet the growing demand. Against this backdrop, the American company Revo has introduced a promising solution, especially for tractor units. By integrating a large battery pack with the diesel engine, Revo EV reduces fuel consumption to 7 liters per 100 kilometers and offers an electric-only range of 400 kilometers. Installation is as simple as adding a semi-trailer. Revo also plans to establish a network of stations where depleted batteries can be swapped for fully charged ones in just 3 minutes, eliminating the need for extended recharging. Sportcar has introduced an innovative 2-in-1 product that's capturing attention. These cabins, designed as large roof spoilers, double as sleeping quarters and offer fuel savings of up to 15%. Positioned above the cabin, the space is so roomy it evokes Japanese capsule hotels. It includes lighting, a socket, a spot for a refrigerator, and other amenities, complemented by an 8-centimeter thick mattress. There's enough height to sit comfortably or lie down, with space for 2 people if needed. Another advantage is its versatility. Some versions can be fitted to vans and are compatible with popular brands like Ford and Citroën. Tandem has rolled out an intriguing enhancement for trucks called Centaur. This massive box transforms an ordinary diesel truck into a hybrid, providing the driver with an additional 630 horsepower in just a few minutes of installation. In all-electric mode, the driver can achieve around 95% diesel savings. Centaur features advanced technology that charges up to 80% within only 45 minutes and can also function as an auxiliary braking system. According to the manufacturers, the economic benefits of this product can be realized in as little as 103 days. For those looking to enhance their fleet, the PowerPack system is also available for trailer systems. Applications for Centaur and PowerPack can be submitted on the manufacturer's website. Smart Truck focuses on creating aerodynamic elements for trucks. When these elements are placed beneath the trailer, fuel consumption reduces by over 10%. Considering that at speeds around 80 kilometers per hour, over half of energy consumption involves overcoming air resistance, Smart Truck's innovations seem highly promising. The Undertray UT6 kit can be assembled in just a few hours, optimizing airflow to cool brakes efficiently and prevent tire overheating. It's no surprise that Smart Truck elements are already in use, notably on the trucks of Turk Enterprises, recognized as Canada's most reliable carrier of perishable goods. Profitability and efficiency take center stage with the Kogel E-Cool refrigerated trailer, their latest innovation. This trailer features an entirely electric refrigeration system powered by integrated solar panels and regenerative braking. The regenerative braking system becomes effective at speeds above 15 kilometers per hour, producing up to 17 kilowatts of power. The energy is stored in a battery, with the exhibition model featuring a capacity of 23 kilowatt hours. However, there's an option to upgrade to 34 kilowatt hours, allowing for about 9 hours of continuous operation. This setup offers 3 major benefits: reduced fuel consumption, lower emissions, and quieter operation compared to standard refrigeration systems. Schmidt's Cargo Bull, a leading player in the European semi-trailer market, also supplies products to the Middle East and Asia-Pacific regions. Renowned for high-quality, cost-effective solutions, the company offers modules with aerodynamic designs that save up to 3% on fuel. One standout example is the Schmidt's Cargo Bull EcoFlex semi-trailer. Known for its advanced aerodynamics, it can cut annual fuel costs by around $1,089, based on conservative estimates. Additionally, it includes Trailer Connect, a built-in telemetry system that helps transportation companies minimize empty trips over time. OpenBox C is designed to exceed the expectations of even the most discerning customers. According to its creators, the accordion-like folding mechanism of OpenBox C ensures versatility, accommodating both regular and oversized loads, making it particularly well-suited for transporting shipping containers. The features of OpenBox C are tailored to the specific needs of each customer. For instance, you can order a version with a payload of 15 tons. Operating the container requires only one person, and it can be unfolded or folded in under 20 minutes. Additionally, the container is composed of 3 elements, so you don't have to replace the entire unit in case of damage. Meanwhile, Freightliner engineers continue advancing the Supertruck project, an ultra-efficient diesel truck. Yes, you heard that right. It's not hydrogen-powered or electric, but instead runs on diesel. They've already achieved some significant milestones. For example, the Supertruck 2, with a gross weight of 37 tons, can travel 100 kilometers at around 104 kilometers per hour, consuming less than 18 liters of fuel. This marks nearly a 6% improvement in fuel savings compared to the first Supertruck. Engineers have also reduced aerodynamic drag by 12% and incorporated a self-adjusting ground clearance system. Together, these enhancements contribute to remarkable fuel efficiency. It's no wonder this initiative is supported by the US Department of Energy. The Kamaz Jupiter 30 is also seeing continuous enhancements. Last year, this dump truck made an appearance at the Inoprom Kazakhstan Industrial Exhibition. What makes it stand out? For starters, its 30-ton payload and lack of a driver's cab. It's an unmanned model. The truck uses data from radars, sensors, antennas, and cameras to navigate. It's highly maneuverable, with both axles pivoting and each equipped with its own traction motor. The vehicle features an inline 6-cylinder diesel engine and has a speed limit of 56 kilometers per hour. Interestingly, the Jupiter 30 is just the first model in this series, with potentially even more advanced versions on the horizon.
I don't think I can take this anymore. I might just...
These unique arms from VDL are specifically designed to handle heavy loads. The flagship model can lift up to 40 tons onto a trailer. Even more impressive are the VDL Cam Plus and VDL Eye Control technologies. The first allows the driver to operate the arm manually in semi-automatic mode or fully automatically. The second focuses on safety, preventing accidents by intervening if the truck tilts excessively to either side. It is clear why VDL is a leading name in the Benelux market. UN statistics show that traffic accidents injure between 20 to 50 million people worldwide every year. How can these numbers be reduced? Seeing Machines offers a solution. They point out that many accidents stem from human error. Drivers get distracted by their smartphones, drinking coffee, or fatigue. That's why monitoring is essential, and the Guardian generation system is designed for exactly that purpose. Using cameras and AI, it detects when a driver is drowsy or distracted, then issues visual, audible, and vibration alerts. The system can even notify the fleet dispatcher. Would you feel comfortable driving knowing AI is watching you? Share your thoughts in the comments. The creators of the SES 300BL Ultra semi-trailer share a similar mindset. This trailer is ideal for transporting both square and round bales. It measures 13 by 2.5 meters, allowing it to be easily driven on public roads. One of the trailer's most useful features is its side walls. One is a regular curtain hiding a classic safety frame underneath, while the other has built-in straps making it flexible. Additionally, it can be moved up and down thanks to the hydraulic drive. Many truckers dream of having a hammock in their cab. 9 out of 10 people might shrug this off and return to watching cat videos. But that 10th person, Stephen Saunders, decided to start his own company and sell his hammocks to everyone. The truck snoozer model costs $635 and has sold over 900 units worldwide. It measures 244 by 71 centimeters, fitting almost any tractor cab, and can hold up to 181 kilograms. No more sleeping on seats or curling up with your feet on the dash. Saunders also offers the kids snoozer hammock, which can be installed in passenger cars and is perfect for kids up to age 11. The DHL-M is a tail lift used to lift and lower loads. The DHL-M 1.0 can handle loads of up to 1 ton, while the more advanced DHL-M 2.0 can manage 2 tons. Both models automatically lower to ground level and feature 4 hydraulic cylinders, 2 lifting cylinders, and 2 rotaries. Customers can choose between aluminum and steel platforms. Aluminum is lighter while steel is stronger. The width also varies, with a maximum of 255 centimeters for both models. The DHL-M 10 has a smaller width of 125 centimeters. The team at Aerier Technologies modestly claims to be the global leader in tire inspections. They discovered that nearly half of all trucks have tires with lower pressure than recommended. Why is this important? Proper tire inflation can reduce fuel consumption by 2%, translating to thousands of dollars in annual savings. To monitor tire pressure, Aerier Technologies engineers created the Halo system. The Connect i3 version supports Bluetooth, RF, CAN, GPS, and LTE for two-way communication. It not only informs the driver of the pressure in each tire, but also the temperature and any suspicious vibrations. The sensors are built into the inflation device, which triggers automatically. With the Halo Connect i3 system, tire-related malfunctions are reduced by 70%, and CO2 emissions are cut by approximately 3 tons per truck annually. According to the International Road Transport Union, a shortage of 3 million truck drivers is looming. Without action, this figure is expected to double by 2028. In response, AFR and OPCO Mobilities have teamed up to create an innovative solution, the Handy Trucka vehicle designed specifically for drivers with disabilities. This truck is equipped with devices that convert sounds into signals for drivers with hearing impairments, a specialized steering wheel for those with musculoskeletal conditions, and a custom platform with rearranged controls for individuals with paralyzed legs. While unconventional, this solution holds promise. In France alone, approximately 5,000 individuals with disabilities expressed interest in transportation and logistics jobs, according to 2022 statistics. Why not harness their potential for the country's benefit? When folded, the railgate platform fits snugly against the trailer doors. When extended, it efficiently transports loads back and forth. What an upgrade this is! Especially valued by drivers who deliver goods to stores every day. Depending on the model, the railgate platform lifts either 1134 or 1361 kilograms. All platforms are equipped with a compact and discreet toggle switch by default, which turns off automatically after 5 minutes of inactivity. An optional remote control can be ordered, along with a power switch for the platform that can be installed inside the cabin. And if you do not yet have a truck, the creators of Railgate also offer smaller models for vans and pickups. Thank you for watching today's TechNew video. If you find these technological inventions useful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to see more shocking content. Share your thoughts about these inventions in the comments section below. See you next time.